Here's a timeless lip care tip for you. Start a lip cleansing routine. Throughout the day, our lips are exposed to activities like eating, drinking, dirt, pollution, and even lipsticks. You need a proper regime to remove all the dirts and impurities that deposit on lip surface. Here's my recommendation. It's ALANNA's lip wash. It comes with a lip brush and pump to extract foam, and let's see how it works. Step 1 is to press the pump of the lip wash to extract the foam and then apply it on the lip for 5 to 6 seconds. Step 2 is to exfoliate the additional dead skin using lip brush. Remember, only use lip brush once a week. And lastly, rinse it out with water and pat it dry. Step 3 is to layer the lip using daily butter mask for hydration. It nourishes and hydrates lip. Now you're done with lip care routine. I use this lip wash daily to remove my lipstick and it has transformed my lips forever. Now my lips are visibly lighter than ever, bro. Try ALANNA's range of lip care products today by ordering it from their website. Bye bye.